Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This one, I'm super excited to be able to film this. I've just been waiting for this part to get sprayed, painted, and shipped. It's actually been more than a couple weeks. It's actually been closer to a month. And that is our chin spoiler from AdvanBlack. Now, I'm the type of person that's gonna be completely honest with you guys, the viewers that come here for information. If this thing sucks right out of the box, I'm not gonna hold back. I'm gonna be honest about it. I'm gonna say, yeah, this thing sucks. Not feeling it. The color match doesn't match up to my standards or expectations. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I don't care how big or small the company is of the product that I'm reviewing. I will always be 100% honest with you guys to help you make a more informed decision when you decide to do something similar. So with that, I'm going to unbox this with you guys and see it for the first time with you guys. So let's grab the box, tear into it, and see what AdvanBlack has sent us. All right, so as promised, this has not been opened yet. It's still completely sealed up. Be careful when we're cutting into this so we don't nick it. Like I said, this is coming from AdvanBlack. It's their chin spoiler, and they offer a 100% guaranteed paint match. So let's see just how accurate that is, because this bike, it's the Hard Candy Customs Hot Rod Red. It's got like a gold flake in it, and I can guarantee it's a hard paint to match up. But they said they 100% paint match guarantee. So let's see. So right in the box, we got a little thank you card. Scan QR code for social media. Looks like we got some slaps, some stickers, AdvanBlack stickers. Thank you so much. Stop! Before you install this product, please inspect it thoroughly to make sure there's no defect. Well, that's what we are doing right now. It's packaged well. I'll tell you right now, these are not cheap. If you guys have been looking at them, you'll know that they are not cheap for just a cosmetic item. So in my opinion, it needs to be 100% perfect for the price. Okay, so right off the bat, I am gonna say I am pretty bummed out that these don't have this does not have the screen inserts on the on it like the previous years. Now let's flip it over and see the paint. Well, I gotta be honest guys, the paint looks pretty damn spot on. See if we can find any imperfections, scratches, or missed spots, running of the paint, anything like that. And so far I'm not seeing it. Let's take you out to the light. So as you can see, we got our gold flake in there. Got that deep candy red. I will say the gold flake is not as thick as what's on the bike itself, but it's a pretty damn close match. One more thing. I know it's kind of a pet peeve, and it's not a deal breaker, but for a US based company, the fact that these aren't made or painted in the US is kind of a letdown, in my opinion. When I messaged them to ask them on shipping times and how far they were out on sending it, they said, well, it's coming from overseas, so it's still gonna be a couple more weeks just to ship it. I guess I was under the impression that these were done stateside in the United States. And those of you that know me know I would prefer to purchase and buy products that are made by US workers. But other than that, I mean, it looks pretty good. We'll put it up here so you can see the comparison. I mean, it looks pretty spot on to me. Maybe just a touch lighter on the red, but I'm also colorblind, so it's hard to say. But other than that, I mean, it looks good. Like I said before though, I'm kind of wishing that it had the screens for a little bit of added protection for our oil cooler down there at the bottom on the front of the bike. Some of their older models for the older bikes, I think before 2017, came with the kind of mesh grill in here. But I guess if it's that important to me, I can always see if I can add some myself. So with that said, I think the first thing we're gonna have to do is slide our lower fairings as far over on the crash bars as possible to give us a little bit of extra room on the front end. But this is a super easy install. As you can see, it's literally one bolt. That's it, just one bolt. So that's what we're gonna do. Just got to slide those lower fairings outwards a little bit just by loosening the bottom strap on the bottom and then loosening it from behind the lid and pushing those out if we don't have enough room. Now, since we are flat on the ground, all we got to do is just turn our wheel one way or the other to get the most access of getting this on. So let's do it. All right, so we got our wheel turned all the way over. We just got to remove this cover here off the oil cooler, and it just kind of snaps on there, but this needs to come off. So that just pops off.